Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to change the MySQL workbench to the contrast mode. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to enter into the MySQL workbench. Okay, so here you can see already MySQL workbench is open, and now we want to change the workbench mode to the high contrast mode. Okay, so now this is in the default mode, and now we are going to change into the high contrast mode. Okay, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to the edit on the top left hand side. So click on edit and scroll down, and here you can see the preferences. So click on preferences. So once you go to the preferences on the left hand side, here you can see so many different options. Okay, so click on fonts and colors. So once you click on fonts and colors, so on the bottom side here you can see select your scheme. Okay, so once you click on that drop down option, so here you can see so many options like Windows 7, 8, Windows 8 alternative and high contrast. Okay, so select on high contrast, click on high contrast, and finally you can click on OK. Okay, so now you can see that MySQL Workbench has turned into the high contrast mode. Okay, so the main advantage of using the MySQL Workbench in the high contrast mode is this will really improve the readability and usability of the interfaces for the users. Okay, so this is the main advantage of using the MySQL workbench in the high contrast mode. Okay, but if you are really comfortable using the default mode, then it's really good. You can just switch it back to the default mode by going to the fonts and colors, and here you can see select the system default. Okay, so this is how you can change the MySQL workbench to the high contrast mode from the default mode. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.